Hello guys! So, welcome back to my vlog. Today is Saturday, March 23 and it's already 5:11 p.m. So, on today's vlog, actually, nag-join ako sa isang kimbap making class, Korean kimbap making class. So, excited ako naggumawa ng kimbap for the first time. Tuturuan nila kaming how to make Korean kimbap. So, I just arrived at the place. And it's still early. The class will start at 5:30. So sabi ko, mag-vlog muna ako saglit because I want to quickly share with you. Kung napanood niyo yung last video, may binigay sa akin gift si Dayan, birthday gift. So i-share ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung binigay niya. So, eto yung gift niya sa akin, birthday gift. Kasi last March 8 actually was my birthday and malakas yung ulan that time. Supposed to be magkikita kami pero hindi natuloy. So, nagkita lang kami last Saturday. So, she gave her birthday gift. Ayan, Balman Hair Couture. I think magiging part na siya ng salon na pinag-workan niya, which is Tips and Toes. So, yun. Share ko lang sa inyo. She gave me this silk perfume from Balman. Ayan, I don't know kung magpo-focus ba siya. Pero, yeah. Hair moisture and shine siya. So, I think it will be good. And then, binigyan din niya ako ng eto rin, para siyang hair mask. Ayan, Balman din siya. So, yeah, try ko yan. Meron ditong dalawa. So, itry ko siya maybe today and next week. And then, of course, binigyan din niya ako ng voucher, pampering voucher, gift voucher from Tips and Toes, which is here. Ayan siya. Ang aking favorite service sa Tips and Toes, which is 90 minutes full body massage. So, I think gagawitin ko siya after Ramadan or let's see kung kailan. So, yan. Thank you so much, Dayan. Actually, si Dayan, isa sa mga, I consider one of my bestest friend dito sa hindi naman sa Dubai, like now, kasi parang yung friendship namin is very mature. Kahit hindi kami lagi-lagi nag-uusap, andun pa rin yung ano namin, connection namin. Tapos minsan mag-share lang kami ng memes with each other. So yan, na-appreciate ko talaga yung friendship namin sa isa't isa. So yun. And also, binigyan din niya ako neto. Actually, para siyang new product nila na ila-launch sa salon nila. So, ayan. Share ko lang din. Journal siya. Parang journal or planner. Depende sa inyo. So, ang cute, diba, guys? It's really nice. I like the art dito sa mismong planner niya. And nakalagay dito, manifest the moment. So, diba, parang this 2024, kailangan more manifestation, kung ano yung gusto mo, dapat isulat mo siya or lagi mo siyang sabihin para talagang magkatotoo. So, yan. Isulat ko dito lahat ng mga goals ko this 2024. Super excited. Tapos, meron ding hairbrush na kasama. Ayan. It's nice. Ano, diba? Ayun. Actually, itong kimbap making class, sabi ko sa sarili ko, this 2024, I want to learn something new. I want to learn or to try something new para naman meron akong added info or added skills na pwede kong i-share sa ibang tao. So yun, kimbap making class. So naman, talagang mahilig ako sa K-drama and lagi silang kumakain ng kimbap. So parang na-curious ako kung paano ba gawin. So yun, let's go. Sama ko kayo. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung place, tsaka kung anong ingredients and paano gumawa ng kimbap. Sana maging okay, guys. So, let's short grain rice, sesame oil, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, and then pickled radish, carrots, cucumber, 3 eggs, tuna or your favorite meat, crab stick, and sesame. These are. So, yeah.
We are holding every month a rolling kimbap or Korean fried chicken or kimchi, that's all. And today we are going to roll kimbap.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to do it alone. We made beef and we made chicken. So there is other options. You can make tuna, you can make pure veg if you want, if you're vegetarian, and yeah, you can use any other option to put. It can be beef, chicken, tuna, fish, or whatever you want, just veg. So yeah, I think I already showed you my finished product. So it's so nice. And I think every month there will be different classes. They told me they will make like a japchae class and kimchi fried rice or something, or how to make kimchi. So I'm thinking to join the class as well. I'm interested, especially the japchae and how to make kimchi. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!